Hello everyone, welcome to collecting items part 2 of it. So we'll be ending collecting items in this class. So let's see. Solve for the unknown 2a plus 3 equals to 13. So we've talked about the rules for collecting items. Number one, we take the variables to one side and then the number to the other side, numbers to the other side. And then rule number two, when a number or variable crosses the equality sign, the sign of that number changes. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Solution. This is 2a plus 3 equal to 13. Now, what do we have? 2a is here as a variable. 2a is here. So what we are to take the numbers to this other side, and that will give us 2a. Please, that 2a is 110. 2a is one thing, so you take it as 110. 2a, that will be equal to. So the numbers are coming to this side. Like I said, write what was there first. So 13 was there first. 13, and then plus 3 is coming down to the right hand side. That will make it minus 3. So 2a equal to 10. We know what to do here, that this is the point where we divide both sides by 2. And then we have a, 2 cancel 2, and a is equals to 5. Okay, we move to number 2. Solution. This is 62 minus 4c equal to 18. Now, what I'm going to do here is I will pick let's take the variable to the right hand side. Let's also try taking variable to the right hand side. I think we've been keeping variables on the left hand side. So let's see what will happen if we take our variables to the right hand side. Now, that means the number will be on the left hand side. Number will be on the left hand side. So the number that's already here is 62. So we'll put down our 62. Now, 18 is to come down to the left hand side, and 18 carries plus here. Yeah? So we'll take the plus, or we'll take plus 18. Once it crosses down, it will turn to minus 18. And then minus 4c is coming to this side, and that will give us plus 4c. So 62 minus 18, 62 minus 18, that will give us 44 equal to 4c. I hope you know what to do here, that will divide both sides by the coefficient of the unknown, which is 4. And then 11 equals to c. And therefore, c equal to 11. Okay, so that's what we do. So you can decide to keep your variable on any side and keep your number on any side, but you must follow the rules. The rules must be followed carefully. Okay, let's go down and see what we have. Number 3, solution. This will give us 3x minus 2 equal to x plus 4. So let's see, we have two variables here, though the same x and x, but we have them in two places. So what do we do? Let's keep our variables on the left hand side. Let's keep the variable on the left hand side. So 3x is here already. That will give us 3x. And then plus x is on the right hand side. So when it crosses down, it will turn to minus x. And then coming down here, we are keeping the numbers on the right hand side. So which number is here already? We have plus 4 here already. So we'll keep our plus 4. And then minus 2 is coming down to the right hand side, and that will make it plus 2. So 3x minus x is like saying 3x minus 1x, which will give us 2x equal to 4 plus 2, that will give us 6. Divide both sides by 2, and then our x is equal to 3. Okay, we move to number 4, solution. What do we have? 5.4 plus y equal to 6. So what do we do? Is still collecting items. number, this number, whether decimal number, they are like terms. So we'll keep our y on this side, on the left hand side. That will give us plus y equal to 6 minus 5.4. Remember, 5.4 carries plus here, so as it crosses down, it becomes minus. So y equals to, we've already done subtraction of decimal numbers. So 6 minus, this is 5.4, 6 becomes 6.0. So if we subtract that, that will give us 0.6. And then we move to number 5. I think this should be our last example. X minus 6 whole number 1 all over 4 equal to 9. What would that give us? We need to change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. That would be x minus 25 all over 4 equal to 9. So fraction and number that are still like terms, So what do? Take this fraction to the right hand side. That will give us what? Our equality sign. So our variable will still be on the left hand side. And we have x equal to 9. The fraction here carries minus. So when it crosses down, it will be plus 25 all over 4. This is 9 all over 1. Our LCM will be 4. 1 times 4, 4. 1 into 4, 4. 4 times 9, that will be 36. Plus 4 into 4, 1. 1 times 25, that will be 25. So our x will be equal to 25 plus, or 36 plus 25. That will give us 61. So that will be 61 all over 4. And we can change to mixed fraction. Our x being 15 whole number 1 all over 4. Okay, so that's all for the examples. So we have our activity questions here. Please do well to go through each of the activity questions carefully. Carefully go through each of the activity questions. Like I said, collecting items is a very crucial case in simple equation. It's a very crucial case in simple equation, so you need to understand it very well. So thank you very much for watching this video. We've come to the end of collecting items. That's case 3. So in our next class, we'll be going to case 4. See you in case 4. Do well to like, to subscribe, and also share this amazing content to others.